Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone has enough battery and a quick backup for contacts or messages. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi so updates or re-authentications won't use mobile data. Now open Settings and type Reset or Network in the search bar to jump directly to the right menu. This saves time versus tapping through layers. You'll see options like Reset Network Settings or Advanced Network. Focus on Network Settings, Reset as your first actionable step to clear connections and cached network. Once you've located Reset Network Settings, tap it and read the confirmation so you understand what will be removed. Saved Wi-Fi networks, paired Bluetooth devices, and any custom mobile APN settings. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi passwords. You'll need to re-enter them. Next, authorize the action by entering your PIN or password and confirm. The phone will execute the reset quickly and may briefly restart network services. This clears corrupt configurations so you can re-establish clean connections afterward. After the reset, you should manually reconnect to Wi-Fi and repair Bluetooth devices. This ensures each connection is established fresh. If mobile data doesn't come back, make sure your carrier APN settings match the provider's recommended values and try removing and reinserting the SIM. If problems continue, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds or reboot the phone to reinitialize radios. One key troubleshooting tip: if connectivity still fails, test with another SIM to isolate whether the issue is device or carrier related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.